Vernier calipers are versatile tools to get precise dimensions of objects.
Let's take a closer look at the calipers. The most prominent thing on here is probably the measurement scale. On top we have large divisions in centimeters, smaller divisions in millimeters. On the bottom we have larger divisions in inches, smaller divisions in decimal inches. Finally, there's a button here that you can use to unlock the calipers so that you can open and close them with ease. Note that if you don't use the button, it actually is quite hard to move it. Other styles of calipers might have, instead of a thumb button here, you might have a little set screw on the top that you can tighten to lock it in position. Let's do a quick measurement using the calipers on this graduated cylinder. Now, there are two styles of measurement that you can do on the graduated cylinder using these calipers. You can start with calipers closed and open them until you reach some inner dimension that you want to measure. Or you can start with the calipers open and close them until you reach some outer dimension that you want to measure. And that's what we're going to do.
We're going to measure the outer diameter of this graduated cylinder. There are going to be a coarse measurement and a fine measurement, which we need to add together to get the total measurement. The measurement line for the coarse measurement is the 0 line on top here. By the way, we are using the metric scale, the top scale. The measurement line is just past the 6.8 centimeter mark on top, so that is our coarse measurement. Then we read the Vernier scale here to get the fine measurement. We want to find the line on the Vernier scale that best matches a line on the coarse scale so that there's no gap between them left or right. To my eyes, the best line there is the 7 mark, which gives us a fine measurement of 0.070 centimeters. If you add that to our coarse measurement, that gives us 6.870 centimeters.